Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. This is our presentation in English.
Aba.
Here just hers and she has difficulty breathing. This Sunday she has difficulty breathing. Okay, let's check your heart. Okay,
Oh, yun.
Your child is just tired. My only advice is to do not force because she may have a heart disease and it can worsen. I have this medicine for drink this 3 times a day and come back here after a week. Okay, thank you, doctor. You can come here after a week.
Nandun sa ulo.
Okay, sir, you said that you have a sir, you are you also
I want to file a divorce case.
you have a UTI or urinary tract
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Only drink enough water. And I will give you
Because he was cheating on me and giving all the money for
what happened? What did you end up so I
Okay.
maybe that's the reason why your stomach hurts. Maybe the meat is there is alongside, but don't worry. But you will be alright. Just take it.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Ikaw ha, batang ina ka pala.